honored to receive the International Customer Relationship Excellence Award for the category CRM Director of the Year 2022. We'd like to take the opportunity to extend my appreciation and grateful thanks to the APCSC Organizing Committee, esteemed panel of judges, my company United Overseas Bank, my bosses, family, friends and colleagues for their guidance and support. This award means a lot to me and my team, as it reflects that we are on the right track to continue to innovate and be creative in our solution to customers by listening to their voices, as well as playing our part in contributing towards the United Nations Sustainable Development Goals for peace and prosperity for people and the planet now and into the future. In line with our recent brand refresh, Building the Future of ASEAN, for the people and businesses within and connecting with ASEAN, we will continue to do right by our stakeholders, including customers, colleagues, and community. To deliver on the purpose, the bank will double down on 3 strategic areas: connectivity, leveraging on the regional footprints, personalization, continuous focus on customer centricity, and of course, sustainability, our bank's long-term approach to the future.